Introduction. Navigation determines aircraft position, direction, speed, altitude, route, and ensures safe flight in busy airspace, poor weather, night, oceans. Navigation systems include satellite-based GPS, radio-based VOR, DME, and ILS, and internal sensors like IRS and computers such as FMS. Why aircraft need navigation? Determine current position, maintain correct heading, control speed and altitude, follow planned route, calculate distance and ETA, avoid terrain and traffic, enable safe landing in low visibility. Categories of navigation systems: satellite-based, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo; radio-based, VOR, DME, ILS, NDB; internal sensors, IRS, INS; computers, FMS, FMGC; safety systems, TCAS, ADS-B. Satellite navigation provides global coverage, high accuracy in all weather, used for en route, approach, and oceanic navigation. Examples: GPS, GLONASS, Galileo. Radio navigation systems, ground-based stations, provide direction, distance, and landing guidance. Examples: VOR, DME, ILS, NDB. Internal navigation systems, IRS, INS use gyros and accelerometers. Compute, position, speed, attitude, heading. Independent from external signals. Drift over time. Ground-based GPS. Receives signals from 4+ satellites. Calculates position, speed, direction, time. High accuracy. VOR, VHF omnidirectional range. Ground station transmits signals. Aircraft determines bearing to, from station. Used for airway navigation. DME, distance measuring equipment. Measures slant range distance. Aircraft sends signal station replies. Time delay equals distance. ILS, instrument landing system. Precision landing system. Components, localizer, runway direction. Glide slope, descent angle, marker beacons. FMS, flight management system. Central navigation computer. Functions, route planning, fuel calculations, speed management, autopilot interface. Components, FMGC, MCDU, nav database. ADS-B, attitude and heading integrated. GPS-based surveillance. Broadcasts aircraft position every second. Ideal for mountainous airports. TCAS, thermal closure aids. Traffic collision avoidance. TA, RA alerts. ADF, aircraft data finder. Independent of external signals. Aircraft uses ADF to point toward station. PAG, personal average guidance. Provides an average flight plan for the entire flight. PAG is more efficient than using individual routes. Key takeaway: understanding navigation systems is crucial for ensuring the safety and efficiency of air transportation. Today's navigation systems have advanced greatly and are essential for modern aircraft, operations.rs, and technicians.